Hello kids, we are going to learn to count with apples from 1 up to 10. 1. One apple. This is 1. One apple. 2. Two apples. 2 apples. 3. 3 apples. 3 apples. 4. 4 apples. 4 apples. 5. 5 apples. 5 apples. 6. 6 apples. 6 apples. 7. 7 apples. 7 apples. 8. 8 apples. 8 apples. 9. 9 apples. 9 apples. 10. 10 apples. 10 apples. Thank you for watching our video. Make subscribe to our channel. Let's see you again in other videos.